Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can get your daily cipher using the Morse code in Hamster Kombat. And the word for today is hamster. Hamster is the word for today. So how do you get it? You click on your enter tap button, this button 3 times, and it shows this way. So for you to get your Morse code works in dots and dashes. To get a dot, you just press. To get a dash, you press and hold, then release. Just like this. To get a dot, press, hold, release to get a dash. That is just how it works. So in hamster, we have the first letter as H, and H has 4 dots. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. You get your H. A has a dot and a dash, so we'll go with a dot and a dash. That is A. Then M has 2 dashes, a dash and a dash for the letter M. S has 3 dots. That is 3 dots. If you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, very important, so that you will keep on getting more useful videos to help you in your hamster journey. So now we'll go for a T. A T has a dash. And next we'll go for E. E has a dot. And next we'll go for R. R has a dot, a dash, and a dot. A dot, a dash, and a dot. That's R. Let's go back again for those that did not get it clearly. H has 4 dots. And A has a dot and a dash. M has 2 dashes. And S has 3 dots. T has a dash. E has a dot. And R has a dot, a dash, and a dot. So we've collected our Morse code for today. Let's take the price. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.